Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kalera Espas, a food scientist who is very passionate about poultry keeping. In today's video, we want to see how we can make our pigs grow fast and become big. In order to achieve this, there are some things that we need to check. Number one, feeding. Feed your pigs on a well-balanced ration. Pigs should be given the correct quality and quantity of feeds that they require. Whatever you choose to feed to your pigs, at least 50% of what you feed your pigs should be yellow corn. And then also you choose to give the pigs what it likes most. This will increase its appetite and the pig will eat much food. Consequently, it will gain more weight. Number two, give them vitamins. Make sure everything you feed to your pig contains vitamin C. Vitamin C can be got in plants like mangoes, oranges, watermelons, etc. Or you can just buy direct from veterinary shops and you give to your pigs. Number three, give your pigs enough water. Pigs require water for a variety of reasons. Number one, for adjustment of body temperature. Number two, movement of nutrients within the body. Number three, removal of metabolic waste from its body. Number four, production of milk for its babies. Number five, for growth and reproduction. Therefore, you need to provide water in large quantities to your pigs. Number four, deworm your pigs regularly. This can be maybe every month. This helps to keep the pigs free from parasites. These parasites consume the blood of the pig. There is competition for nutrients within the body of the pigs. But if you deworm it, it means the body will be free and all the feed that it is eating will be used for its growth and weight gain. Number five, monitor your pig's health. Sick pigs will not eat food that will make them grow fast and gain more weight. Or even when it eats, its sickness causes nutrients and vitamins to be broken down at a very higher rate in order to fight against the infection. This will hinder its growth and consequently affect its weight gain. Number six, ensure your pigs have enough space. If the space for the pig is small within its house, appetite for food will reduce due to stress. You need to at least construct a pig's house for at least 20 to 50 feet of space within the house of the pig. Thanks for watching my video. Consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell such that every time you upload a video, you get to know. Bye bye.